Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we'll be talking about the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, recalling the fateful day 102 years back on the 13th April 1919, when Ketu was in Rohini star and now Rahu is in Rohini star today, and till Rahu will be in Rohini star till the 20th September 2021 can prove to be most enigmatic. I'll read out. My predictions till the writing of the article have been spot on for the globe as per the predictions made earlier on the Angarak Yog, and after the 14th April 2021 will definitely have some relief coming out, but till Ketu is in just a star may not give full relief till 10th May 2021 as far as the coronavirus is concerned, and till Rahu in Rohini star till the 20th September 2021 in a broader spectrum, as already mentioned in all my articles. And then on the other dates I've also mentioned. The transit of Mars in Gemini and Cancer will also be enigmatic, since there is a Veda between Mars and Saturn, and crucial time frames from the 24th April to 18th May 2021, and then when Mars activates the sensitive arc in Capricorn, 6.2 degrees, 18.4 degrees, 19 degrees Saturn stationary, and then 20 to 22 degrees in the sign Capricorn when Mars reaches Cancer between 2nd June to 20th July 2021. Now, Jallianwala massacre, I need not discuss, everybody knows about it. Now, let us look at the chart of the 13th April 1919 and compare it with the planetary positions today and the coming time. Today, at the time of the massacre, Rahu Ketu in 1/7 axis in the India Foundation chart, and also at the time of 1919 over the natal Rahu and Ketu. Ketu was in Rohini and now Rahu is in Rohini. That means Ketu was in Taurus at that time, now Rahu is in Taurus. Ketu in Rohini in 1919, now Rahu in Rohini star, considered most enigmatic parameter as can be seen from the past. Mars influencing Rahu in Scorpio by 8th aspect. Now Mars forming an Angarak Yoga in Taurus and aspecting Ketu by 7th aspect. Sun and Mercury in Pisces in 1919, and now also Sun and Mercury in Pisces, and they have an aspect of Saturn. Mars and Venus in own sign in Aries and Taurus, and now Mars in Taurus and Venus is in Aries. There is a Parivartana. The 1919 event happened near Purnima. Now the Pisces, it is today when Mars is about to leave tomorrow, then it is near the Pisces new moon chart of the 12th April. Saturn in Cancer in 1919 and now Saturn in Capricorn in 1/7 axis, they are aspecting each other. Mars and Saturn were in square in 1919. In the immediate future when Mars will be in Rohini, Mars and Saturn will also aspect each other from the 2nd June and 20th July 2021. There is one grace, that Rahu and Ketu will not be afflicted by Mars and Saturn. This even took place when Mars and Saturn were in square in 1919. It even took place when Mars and Saturn were in square position. They were aspecting each other, and there was affliction to Rahu in the sign Scorpio. So this is a grace now. You see, Mars and Saturn was square aspect in 1919. In the immediate future, Rahu will be in Rohini and Mars and Saturn will aspect each other from the 2nd June to 20th July 2021. That means of a lower intensity but definitely enigmatic period. There is one parameter, Jupiter in Gemini in 1919 and now Jupiter in Aquarius, and both are aspecting each other, like Saturn at the time of 1919 and now they are aspecting each other. There is one parameter which is good, that Mars and Saturn are not in square position like 1919, and Mars will leave the sign Taurus on the 14th April 2021 at 1:14 hours. It seems the peak of the situations as per the Angarak Yoga till this time frame. But the unfortunate part is that in the Pisces new moon chart, the Angarak Yoga is forming in all the countries, because the Pisces new moon chart of the various countries will be on the 11th and 12th of April. So it will definitely influence some way or the other. The Rahu in Rohini will definitely pose hindrances and brutal events, as can be seen from the past till 20th September 2021. Ketu in just start till 10th May 2021, as already pointed out in all my articles specifically for coronavirus. In April 2019 and 19, General Dyer on pedestal, and now in 2021 and 20, General Corona till 20th September 2021 takes the pedestal specially till 14th April, 10th May, 20th September and 17th April 2022 in the immediate future. We are not talking about the rest of the time frames. Pisces new moon chart having Angarak Yoga as per the 11th-12th April 2021 will influence the year 2021-22 definitely, since the planet for cure will be afflicted, and Rahu is oil and Mars is energy and waste of energy. Explosions, Please read my article, Planet Mars Ingress Taurus joining North Node Rahu 22nd February to 14th April 21. So this we have already talked about it. What are all the conditions? Have a look at the chart below of 19 degrees, and all the predictions have proved spot on. Then past events we have talked about that, when the past events, war with Pakistan, Indo-Pak war over Bangladesh, 13th April Jallianwala Bagh, attack on Pearl Harbor, Operation Blue Star, 11th September 2001, the terrorist attack took place in America when Rahu, Jupiter, Moon were in Gemini and Mars, Ketu in Sagittarius. Saturn was in Rohini star. So the idea of telling you this is that Rohini star, whenever it is afflicted by malefics, it is most prone to give, untoward happenings. Hiroshima Nagasaki bombing on the 6th August 1945. You have a look of the chart. Mars was in Rohini star at that point of time. On the 25th August 1990, overnight, Iraq captures Kuwait, Mars in Taurus and aspects Saturn foreign in Sagittarius. 6-8 axis. So that is what going to take place from 14th of April. Mars will be in Gemini and Saturn will be in Capricorn. There will be 6-8 axis, and then Saturn is going to go stationary and Mars is going to aspect it. It's a most volatile condition. Oath chart of Lal Bahadur Shastri of 1964. Oath chart of Chandrasekhar, 10th November 1990. Earthquake in central Italy. Rahu in Taurus. Earthquake in Mexico. Saturn in Taurus. The countries prone to transit will be US, India, Pakistan, Japan, China, Dubai, Indonesia, Iran, Paris, Malaysia, Philippines, Sri Lanka, North Korea. Warmongering countries like Israel, Syria, Iran and other countries may be influenced in this transit. I've also talked about Russia and Ukraine and then Myanmar, and all has been discussed on my website. All the countries, all the possibilities, Russia and Ukraine, then Israel and Iran, all has been discussed in length, and there is a probability, and even US and China, the probability between them can go for a toss. The transit of the nodes over the natal node, Saturn activating the Saturn in the 7th house. So all this, then the charts of Dubai, Sri Lanka, Indonesia are most prone to untowards happening natural and unnatural calamities. So we have discussed the chart of US, and then I have discussed, and this article was written time and again. I have been mentioning that this article that of Mars in Rohini in 2019 April, and there were serial blasts on a Easter day in Sri Lanka proved spot on. And we have similar, now Mars is about to leave, it is about to go in the sign Gemini, where the minimum Ashtak Varga Bindus as far as India is concerned, and at 7 degrees, probably on the 26th of April, could be enigmatic. Between 24 to 26, I've already mentioned. So then I've written an article, which is most important article, then I've discussed the Kurma Chakra, and I've mentioned that the virus could be mainly in the west region, in the central region, and other regions which they have all been mentioned as per the Kurma Chakra. Nutshell, I have observed that the planetary positions, that when Rahu Ketu afflicted by Mars, then affliction are explosive, especially when Mars and Saturn are in square position. Fortunately, this will not happen simultaneously this year. Mars affliction to Rahu and Ketu ends on the 14th April 2021. It's a big grace. The Mars and Saturn first in 6-8 axis and then in opposition are also not good, as explained in all my articles, and may not be that explosive as at the time of 13th April 1919. Although there may be natural and unnatural calamities, earthquakes, explosions, fire, terrorism, brawl between the nations going for a toss, one parameter which cannot be ignored is the Angarak Yoga, which is found and presence of the same in the Pisces new moon chart of all the countries, and the world may go for rough patch, especially between 12th April to 20th July 2021, and then after the 14th September to 20th November 2021. In a nutshell, the Mars affliction to the sensitive arc at 6.2 degrees, 18.4 degrees, 19 degrees in Capricorn, and then 20 to 22 degrees in Cancer may be explosive, definitely, as per the time frames mentioned by me in all my articles, and especially the Veda between Mars and Saturn between 24th April to 18th May can prove to be most enigmatic for the brawl between the nations, and they can go for a toss. So in general, I'm talking, maybe it is Russia, Ukraine, maybe it is Iran or Israel, or maybe it is India and China, maybe it is US or China. So it seems the world is going to go for a rough patch. Now you can read the media news. US China deploy aircraft carriers in South China Sea. Why Iran Israel tensions are on the rise again. Brawl between Russia and Ukraine, I've already discussed in this article. Red planet Mars and Roman god Saturn, Veda in Rashi and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakras, and 8th aspect on stationary Saturn, close degrees, detrimental for warlike. Then Rashi and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra, Veda between Mars and Saturn, crucial for wars like. The most important article for war and warlike situations it is planet Mars, Roman god Saturn and demon Rahu, what they have up their sleeves. I have discussed in detail all the countries. Please go through it, and I have reproduced this article in this article, and I have mentioned all the parameters, and everything seems to show that we have to go through a rough patch, especially till 20th July, and then after the 14th September to 20th November 2021. We may get some ease in the virus from tomorrow, little bit, but there won't be drastic change, because the Angarak Yoga is finishing, but the Angarak Yoga remains in the foundation charts of the country, so the effect will remain. Although the spikes may reduce, they may or may not reduce, but we're taking a positive stance, they may reduce, especially after the 10th May 2021 and then 20th September 2021, and the dates mentioned by me in all my videos and all my articles. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to discuss. Have a good day, best of luck, keep inside, keep social distancing, and that's all I just wanted to convey. Bye bye. Thank you for listening to me.